Boom shakalaka, urgent video for all Bitcoin and Ethereum holders. Likely the buying opportunity of a lifetime. Today's video, we're going to be talking about exactly why. You'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, the buying opportunity of your lifetime, why you need to get on board if you're not, and if you're already on board, just hold on because we are set up for quite a wild ride. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where every day we share some of the best charts in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Now, today, neutral, fear and greed. We are in neutral. We're not fearful. We're not greedy. We are just in a good place going almost sideways, but we're going a little bit north of sideways. The whole market up 1% today. Bitcoin at 46,756, Ethereum at 35.23, BNB at 454, Solana at 133, Terra Luna at 116, Cardano at 121, XRP at 82 cents, and Avalanche at $96. And if you want to know the top coins today to outpace holding just Bitcoin alone, on Gate.io, which is up over 1,200% above just holding Bitcoin alone. The top coins today are Aavegotchi, Polymath, Maple, Polkadot, and Solana. Check this out. 2 coins in the top 10 getting into the indice for today. And if you want to check this out for yourself, use artificial intelligence, machine learning, over 80 indicators to pick out the best coins. You could even add low caps for higher risk, but potentially much higher reward. There is a discounted link down in the description. And while you're down there, make sure to check out Celsius if you haven't. You can earn free crypto. As a matter of fact, you can earn up to $2,000 for free for depositing any eligible coins into your Celsius account. Not only that, but you can earn up to $5,000 for free for depositing Cell token into your Celsius account. Now, that being said, we are taking a look today at Bitcoin and Ethereum. We can see here Bitcoin continuing to go up on this very slow progression, but within that there are 2 steeper trajectories. One, this dotted blue line right here, and one, this dotted white line that Bitcoin has been following. And this would put Bitcoin, if it can continue on this trajectory, this would put Bitcoin at $64,000 by the first week in May, which would be pretty exceptional. However, before we get there, there is some resistance clearly at the top of this trend line at $50,000. So we have to get past that first, but we do have a double bottom set up here. 97% chance we get to this, 3% chance we don't. Right now, it's sitting on the confirmation line, this blue dotted line right here. So we'll have to see where Bitcoin price continues to go. But there's this interesting chart from Trading Shot over on Trading View, and he's saying that Bitcoin ahead of important long-term bullish breakouts. We can see that Bitcoin is basically repeating what it has done previously, and when it has done this previously, this was right before a massive breakout. So we can see right where we are right now, we have this blue dot, and then if we take a look at the RSI down the bottom, we have a little bluish area, a reddish area, and a greenish area. Now this coincides with what happened previously. This was back in 2020, from March until about a year later. Well, Bitcoin price broke underneath the red line, the 1-week MA50, but once it broke above there, and this RSI did the same thing it did down here in the blue, once it breaks above, guess what? We had a massive breakout of Bitcoin price. Parabolic rally. Could likely echo what is going on right now with Bitcoin. But not only Bitcoin, because if we take a look at Ethereum, Ethereum has finished its corrective phase and will rise parabolically. We could see that Ethereum right now, over the past few years, is echoing what it did back in 2016. So we had this kind of V-shaped blue bottom, and then we had this ascending wedge right here of correction before the price took off for a parabolic rally. Now, there were actually 2 parabolic rallies, one after the V and one after the green ascending wedge right there. Not only that, but in the RSI, we see kind of a downtrend there. Well, we have the same thing happening here. This blue V shape, we have this ascending wedge, likely could see another parabolic rally in Ethereum. So anyone holding Bitcoin and Ethereum, things are looking great. But not only Trading Shot saying stuff, Peter Brandt as well. He's saying that this Bitcoin pattern is an ascending triangle to the right. Read about it and compare the present pattern to a similar structure in 2019. So right now, we're in this pattern right now, ascending triangle with Bitcoin. If we take a look back in 2019, same thing as Trading Shot was saying the last time this happened, 2019. Look at this ascending triangle, and then it broke up, had a little up channel, and then massive spike in price. So we could likely be headed in that territory with Bitcoin. We also see that Bitcoin's reclaimed the 3-week Kijun-sen at historically low Bollinger Band width, suggests macro bullish momentum with impending volatility. We can see that every time this Bollinger Band width drops to pretty much the bottom, that signals the moment before a massive Bitcoin spike. Same thing happened here when this comes to the bottom, again with the Kijun-sen, massive spike. So once again, we have Bitcoin price coming to the bottom and matching up with the Kijun-sen could likely send Bitcoin price up dramatically, because right now, if we take a look at the risk, you always, whenever you're investing, you have to see the risk involved in it. And with Bitcoin, the risk could almost not get any lower. This is the risk levels for Bitcoin, and we can see that it's pretty much the lowest it could possibly get. Doesn't get much better than that. And this is actually very interesting. Despite what's going on right now, retail traders, so owning between 0 and 1 Bitcoin, are currently buying Bitcoin at the second highest rate in history. Now, this is very interesting because the last time they did this, the first highest rate they were buying in history was during the 2017-2018 peak. However, we are nowhere near a peak right now. We are more like at a bottom right now. So this is a very interesting chart, but I think retail traders are starting to get it, especially with what's going on in the world today, where we have programmable scarcity with Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin user growth in blue compared with orange supply issuance. We can see the supply is decreasing, the demand is increasing, the price will likely catch up, and when it does, we're going to see Bitcoin to explode, and $64,000 will just be a starting point. So guys, if you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, and if you haven't yet, check out Token Metrics and check out Celsius. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Later.